All right, so last week you were working on planning out your imaginary animal. You decided on an environment or an ecosystem that that animal would live in, and then you gave it different structural or physical adaptations in order to help it survive in that specific type of environment or ecosystem. How it ate, how it stayed cool, how it stayed warm, etc. Okay, you all have turned that planning page in, hopefully, and if you haven't, you need to get the planning page done. And then this week, your job is to create your imaginary animal. So you're going to design what it looks like and draw it out. You can use markers, you could use paint, you could use colored pencils, you use any materials that you have in your house. So let me share my screen with you because I want to show you some examples so that you know exactly what it is that I'm looking for, okay, and what I need. So here is an example that has been drawn by a student, and this is a desert animal and the adaptations that it has. So you'll notice a couple of things. One thing is the drawing is very neat. You can tell this person took a lot of time with it. They added color, they added a lot of details. And the second thing that you can tell, well, I mean, I really like how it's like outlined here in black, as well as the fact that it was probably drawn in pencil originally. It's colored in, but then accents, extra details are added with that thin black marker in this case. That's what they chose to use. The other thing that this final project has that yours needs to have as well is words that tell me what the adaptations are that this animal, that you've created on this animal and how it helps it survive. So this one has an air conditioner on its neck to keep it cool. It has large ears that help to keep it cool. That desert animals often have larger ears that help them to cool their bodies down. Okay, so besides the detailed picture, it also has a lot of details in the writing about what every single one of the adaptations are. Here is another one from a desert animal that I wanted to show you. So this one, again, also has a lot of details. They took their time. This is a whole week long activity. You had a whole week last week to plan what it was and how you wanted to create your animal. Now this week, your job is to just draw it and write me these details. So I expect a lot of good writing from you and a lot of good drawing from you because you have the whole week in PYP to get this done. There's a couple other little things in PYP, but nothing that should take you any real amount of time, so that you should have plenty of time to get this done. One of the things really cool about this one, besides the details and all the words and how they did their best work on their drawing, is that this one shows you, it has some boxes here that show you the insides, how there's adaptations that this animal has that can't be seen, that are inside of its body. The way that it has air tubes, these are special air tubes that it has inside of its body that can explode when he is hot. I don't know if that's a good adaptation or not, especially in a desert. It might get hot and it might explode a lot. I don't know, but it was a creative way for this student to show their understanding of a way that animal might have an adaptation. This box over here shows its digestive system, how its digestive system works in order to turn its prey and the venom from some of its prey that it eats into water, because water is something that is in short supply in the desert. Here is another, I believe this is actually, I don't know. Oh, mountains, sorry. I was trying to find which ecosystem this particular animal is for. So this is for the mountains. So this one, again, it has a lot of detail and it has words that tell me about all of the adaptations. It's not just one word that says wings. It says wings in order to, okay? So it doesn't just have wings. This one has spines in its wings that whirl around the wing to confuse the predator. And they have a stinky smell that drives the predator away. So don't just tell me it has claws. Tell me what it does with, why does this animal have this type of claw? Why is it shaped that way? Or why is it made that way? So that is your assignment for this week. That starts today. You have all the way through Thursday to get that done and get it turned in. Okay, and this kind of is your summative for this unit. We're ending this unit. We're done with it. So this imaginary animal is going to be counted as a summative. So please take your time. Ask questions if you're confused or you don't understand what it is that you need to do so that Mrs. Bergwall and I can help you. But please do your best work. Okay, thank you.